Vlogging is becoming increasingly more popular, and there has never been a better time to start a vlog. People really enjoy watching high-quality vlogs, and some vloggers have subscribers in the millions. But you don't need millions of subscribers to make money from vlogging. There are many vloggers out that have a lot less subscribers that make a full-time income and more from their vlogging activities. What could be better? Doing something that you love and recording it to share with the world and making money at the same time. This is more than a dream. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will discover what a vlog really is. You will learn some great and profitable ideas for starting a vlog. You will learn how to start your new vlog with maximum impact. You will learn how to promote your vlog so that you increase your subscriber numbers and your potential to make money. You will have answered all the most common questions about vlogging, and we have provided you with a step-by-step plan to create a successful and profitable vlog. To make it easy, I've put together this step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Modern Vlogging, Creating a Successful Video Blog for Profit. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is vlogging? Ideas for profitable vlogs. Starting a successful vlog. Creating great videos. Optimizing your YouTube videos. Promoting your vlog. Free tools for growing your YouTube channel. Ways to monetize your vlog. Vlogging best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start doing modern vlogging. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know exactly what is expected of you in the highs and lows of vlogging. You want to use the best way to share your talents, ideas, and thoughts about a subject. You want to be natural and casual and really connect with the viewer. You want to build a following and find opportunities for you to market your skills. You want to demonstrate that you are really good at something and get requests from people interested in hiring you. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Modern Vlogging Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Modern Vlogging Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Modern Vlogging Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to create a successful video blog for a profit by doing modern vlogging, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start creating a successful video blog for profit. I'll see you on the inside.